In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Photopea. If you've ever wanted your designs to match a specific brand or just stand out with a unique typeface, loading your own fonts into Photopea is quick and easy. You'll need your font files ready on your computer, most commonly .ttf or .otf. Make sure you have the right to use the font in your project, and if your font came in a zip file, unzip it first so you can access the actual font files. Start by opening Photopea in your web browser. Photopea runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install. A quick note before we begin. Fonts you load are available only within your current Photopea session and in this browser tab. If you close the tab, you'll need to load them again later. Next, click on P Drive. This is Photopea's built-in file manager that helps you access your files. From here, navigate to where your design is stored and open your project. You can work with PSDs or other supported formats. Give the file a moment to load, and once it's open, you'll see your canvas and layers ready to go. Now select the text tool. You'll find it in the toolbar on the left, represented by the letter T. If you already have a text layer, click it in the Layers panel, and then click on the canvas to activate the text. If you're adding new text, just click on the canvas and type. With the text tool active, you'll see the text options appear across the top, including the font family dropdown. To load your custom font, click on the font family dropdown and choose Load Font. A file picker will appear. Select your .ttf or .otf font files from your computer and confirm. You can load multiple files such as regular, bold, and italic variants if you have them. Once loaded, your fonts will appear in the list and can be applied to the selected text immediately. If you don't see the font name right away, clear any filters in the search bar of the font list and look near the top, where newly loaded fonts typically appear. If a font doesn't load, double-check the file format and that the file isn't corrupted. Some fonts contain limited character sets. If certain characters don't display, that's a limitation of the font itself. Remember, because fonts are session-based in Photopea, anyone else opening the file will need to load the same fonts to see the exact result. That's it. You've successfully added custom fonts in Photopea and applied them to your design. Save your project, and you're good to go.